President Donald Trump just cut tax in America, but it's Melania Trump who just rocked the media with her Midas touch, with her golden touch, our first lady just profoundly impacted the lives of real people who are struggling, and it's completely ruining Michelle Obama's Christmas. It's something she could never do. The mainstream media refuse to report on this stunning, breaking news. Michelle Obama, left, First Lady Melania Trump, right, photo credit, YouTube, screen grab, Solelo BAFP, Getty Images. The first year of the Trump presidency is coming to an end, and it's a time when the media takes stock of the past year. Of course, when their darlings, the Obama, were in office, it was glowing headlines all around. This year, though, our current president and first lady are hated by the press, so the purveyor of fake news looked the other way when a report from Slovenia made big headlines in Europe. Most of you know Melania Trump became an American citizen after immigrating here legally. She was born and died in the small Eastern European country of Slovenia, which was under communist control. Slovenia has struggled economically, so it is stunning to learn the First Lady has been an economic boom in the country of her birth. It sounds strange, but Melania's Midas touch brought some much-needed prosperity to struggling lower-income people. The Economic Development Minister in First Lady Melania Trump's native Slovenia held a press conference on Tuesday to tell reporters the good news about increasing tourism in the Eastern European nation, report Breitbart. Slovenia's economic minister Zdravko Počivalšek said 2017 is turning out to be a record year for tourism in the Eastern European country, and is crediting our gracious First Lady Melania Trump. Počivalšek told Reuters the 9% hike in tourism revenue with a 23,4% increase in tourists from the United States is largely a boost from Melania Trump having been born in the city of Sevnica in southeastern Slovenia before becoming the first Lady of the United States. We received a lot of attention from international journalists because of the US First Lady, and we managed to present Slovenia an attractive, green country. Maja Pak, head of the Slovenian Tourist Organization, told the same news conference, according to Reuters. So, let's get this straight. Melania Trump rocked a whole country's economy, albeit a small country, but it's still quite an accomplishment. Can you imagine if Michelle Obama had brought any relief to her hometown of Chicago, with all the murders and gang violence, not to mention the poverty there too? The mainstream media would be crowning her Queen of the Cosmos, and all would have to bow in Her Majesty's presence. Beyond the cover of Time, Person of the Year, so it's no wonder her pal in the media ignored the Reuters press coverage, and the one outlet that did mention it, Newsweek, USA, to bash the Trumps. Newsweek reported, while First Lady Melania Trump may want to visit a desert island for the holidays, her popularity may be inspiring others to flock to her native country, Slovenia. Slovenia reported a 9% hike in tourism revenue this year, Reuters reported, with a 23,4% increase in tourists from the United States. The First Lady was even more popular among Americans than her husband, President Donald Trump, according to a December Gallup poll. The haters at Newsweek added, tourists may be exploring the Central European country, but Melania Trump would rather escape on a tropical vacation, rather escape to a tropical island, and they act like that sounds so sinister. The ironic thing is, it was Barack and Michelle who escaped to a tropical island the first chance they got when they were out of office, remember? Barack Obama. Trump visits Children's Hospital for Christmas, right? Photo credit, Richard Branson, Twitter, Mark Wilson, Getty Images. Who can forget the sucking up the mainstream media were doing to the Obamas as they jetted to Richard Branson's private island. The media posted photo of Barack hooking it up with Branson. I windsurfed, but Melania Trump saying love to visit a deserted island with her family is completely in bad taste in their biased book. I'm sick of these liberal media clown. They hate that middle-class Americans aren't listening to them anymore. We are bypassing their shameless biased reporting and sharing the stories they refuse to cover. Melania Trump's Midas touch helped bring real prosperity to a struggling economy, and in one year, she has outdone Michelle Obama's years in office with this one act alone. She is responsible for creating jobs, and Americans we can look with pride again on the First Lady of the United States and ask God to bless her and President Trump in the coming new year. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking off the button below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News. Barack Obama, Donald Trump, Melania Trump, Michelle Obama.